I'm Danny at Classic Performance Products, and I have in front of me our new 14-inch big brake kit. The one that you see here has got a red caliper setup. It's also available in black. The rotor is 14-inch diameter. It's a thick 1 3/16. It's drilled, it's slotted, it's got a zinc finish, and that's going to help protect it from corrosion and rust and make it look ugly so that it looks nice for a long time with the zinc finish. You get a lot of performance with this 14-inch disc brake, and then it's coupled to this really massive caliper here. It has huge brake pads that's going to help take that braking energy and it transfers to heat, but spread it over a large area, which results in lower temperature because the pad size is so big, and that's going to help your performance. It's got phenolic pistons. It's a 2-piston caliper. The piston area is just about 6 square inches, which is a lot of area for the clamping force. And because it's phenolic material on the pistons, that's an insulator. It does not transfer heat, so that you don't have any risk of boiling the brake fluid. All coupled up, the performance on this is massive. I've driven our 13-inch big brake kits on the track, and it's really my favorite kit of all the different brake kits and setups I have ran. That 13-inch kit on the track has been my favorite. I've driven these 14s on the street, and I can't wait to put these on the track. My expectation is they're going to perform just amazing, even better than the 13-inch kit. To find out more about these kits, you can reach us on the web at www.classicperform.com or give us a call at 714-522-2000.